So guys, do you want to learn how I was able to do that? Keep watching because I'm going to show you how I was able to do that editing. It is very simple. It is not complicated. It is something you can learn. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. First thing you need to do is this. You need to film an empty background like this. So you just film the empty background for like 15 seconds or 20 seconds, as the case may be. It depends on how long you want it to be. So when you are done filming, that's when you walk in to the background and then you just do some dramatic stuff. So let's do that together. You start doing as if you are feeling uncomfortable, like something wants to come out from your head. Do you understand? So when you are done, then you bend your head like this. Just bend your head for like few seconds and then you raise your head. Then you start feeling like now you are okay. Then you walk away. Okay, so guys, that is it for the dramatic expression that you need to do. So after doing that, the next thing we need to do now is to go to Capcut. Let's do the editing. Just follow me attentively. You will be able to get it. Ready? Let's go. So let's download the white fowl. So you click on your Google, then type no copyrighted, because we don't want any copyright wahala. So just type no copyrighted white fowl. Different images will come out. So you can download any one of your choice. Just click on it and click on download image, then you are good to go. Save it. So after we are done doing this, you click on your Capcut app, click on new projects, and then first of all we are going to import the empty background. So click on add. So we actually want this background to be longer than this, you understand? So what are we going to do? You can do yours to be 30 seconds long, you understand? This one is 12. So I'm going to freeze it. You click on the empty background, then you search for freeze and you freeze it, so it will make it longer. Then you can adjust the freezing. Do you understand? So it's not very long. Do you understand? So you can leave it like this. So when you are done, then you can now trim anything you want to trim. So after doing this, you click on overlay, click on add overlay, and then import the video of when I was walking into the background. That's the one I want to import now. So you click on it, and guys, this is the video. Then you click on add. So after adding any overlay, I always tell you in all my videos, always make sure you resize it. Use your both finger to pinch it so that it will be equal with the first video, with the first background. Do you understand? So just use your both finger to resize it like this. Very important too, or else your video will not be perfect. So after doing this, I'm going to search for the part when I was about bending my head. So that's the part we need now. So, and for you to get that part, you have to click on this one that I was walking to the background. So let's just search for it. This is the part we have been waiting for. This is it. This is it. So then you just click on the video and then click on split. You long press on this one that is second part. You long press on it and shift it. Just shift it. Then after shifting it, come back here and click on this one. Click on it and then look for freeze again. So you click on freeze, and this is the freeze part. I'm going to remove the background of this place I freezed. Remove background. So search for remove BG. BG stands for background. So search for it. This is it. So you remove, click on it, and then click on auto remover. So finally we have removed the background. Make sure you are clicking on this freeze part and then swipe to your right hand side again and search for mask. We are going to divide the head now. Click on mask and then click on horizontal. So you are going to divide the head just as you want it to be. So anyhow you want it to be, just do it like this. Then you divide, you click on this check sign and you are good to go. So guys, after doing this, the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to duplicate this particular part here. So how do we do that? You search for duplicate. This is it. In some people's phone it is copy, so you are going to duplicate it. So you click on duplicate and it will come down. So we are now having three overlay, like we are now having three lines, 1 2 3, three layers. So after doing this, you are going to arrange this one that you duplicated that is now under. You are going to align it with the one in the freeze part. Do you understand? So how do you do that? You long press on it and then you drag it to be under that one that you freeze. This is it. Perfect. Guys, I hope you are following this. If you have question, drop it on the comment section. I will respond to you. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, after doing this, the next thing you need to do now is this. We want to reveal the other part of the body. And how do we do that? You click on this third one that you duplicated. You click on it and then you swipe to your right hand side and search for mask. Search for mask. This is mask. You click on mask and then click on invert. The full body will come out. So click on it, invert. You click on this check sign, go back to the second layer, this second one that you freeze that time. You click on it and then look for transform. So you click on transform and then click on rotate. So this is the head now. So this is where the work lies. You have to be very careful when you are doing this so that your video will come out perfect. Click on the second layer, the one that we freezed. So you click on it and then we are going to open this head now. We are going to make this head open. And how do we do that? We are going to work with keyframe. And you bring this white line to the beginning of the video and then just add the keyframe to it. Click on keyframe and add to it. So immediately you add your keyframe, you are going to open the edge, open, and make sure you arrange this though so that one part will not be bigger than the other part. So like this. So you shift again and add another keyframe like this, and you can leave it like this. Just arrange it. So let's check what we have now. So guys, you see this, when you add the keyframe at the beginning, so you now use your hand to rotate the head, the one that you divided. You use your hand to rotate it and add another keyframe and be arranging it like that. You remember that part that we shifted to the other side, this part here. So we are going to add it now, and from the place I want it to add is when I was raising my head. That is where I want. So let me just search for it and delete the other part. So I think this is the place, this is it. So I'll just click on it, click on split and delete this part. I don't need it. So this particular part here, we're going to shift it and make it to be close to that one place where my head was opening. So I will click on it and then shift it, long press on it and shift it, long press again and shift it. Make sure it's the same line, like this. Guys, did you see it? So let's check what we have. So you click on it and okay, yeah. So guys, this is exactly what I want. So now we are going to add the fowl. It's time to add that white beautiful fowl. So we click on add overlay and then we are going to import the beautiful fowl. Click on photos and this is the fowl. Then click on add. So this is the fowl. The fowl is actually facing a direction that I don't understand, so I want it to face this other side. So how do we do that? You search for transform, click on transform and then click on mirror. So the fowl is now facing this other side now, and it has a white background which we don't want for this tutorial. So we are going to remove this white background. So you search for remove BG and then click on it, then click on auto remover, and now we have finally removed the background of the white fowl. So we are going to use your both fingers to resize this fowl to be very small. Resize it Then you place it somewhere here, somewhere close to your neck here. So you place it somewhere here. Guys, we are still going to use keyframe for this particular one because the fowl needs to move. So we click on the fowl, then click on keyframe, and then you shift the fowl, shift it to the head, and also shift the one here, the overlaid one, and then you click on keyframe, and you shift the fowl again, and then also shift this other part and click on keyframe like that. This is how you'll be doing it. And then move the fowl a bit, and then click and shift this other part and click on keyframe. Do you see that? So you also move the fowl again, move it as if it's coming out, and this time around you are going to make it bigger a bit, and then make the fowl bigger again, and then bring it out, and then shift it. This is how you just be doing it. Click on keyframe, make it bigger, it's already out, and then shift it again, click on keyframe, and then bring it down. It's already coming out, bring it down. Then you can always use your hand to resize it the way you want, and shift it, click on keyframe like that. The file is already coming down, so just be using your hand to control it. This is your own work, oh, you have to do this carefully. Then you can now remove the file from the video, so you can make it bigger and then remove it. That is it, guys. Let us play this, let us play it. So let me do that now. So if you notice something, if you are following this video attentively, you will notice that the fowl did not come out from the head, it came out from the side of my head, right? So we are going to do it now for this fowl to come out from my head, from inside the head. So how do we do that? You click on the fowl, and then you swipe to your right hand side and search for layers. Okay, layer. So you click on layer, and then you click on send to back. We are going to send this file to the back. It's at the front now. Click on it, and it will send it to the back. So then you click on this check sign. Let us play this for you to see. Guys, you see that it is very easy. So guys, this is it for this tutorial. It is not difficult. So when you are done, you cannot go ahead and add any sound effects that you like, any effect at all. You can go ahead and add it, and your video will come out so perfect. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and share this video, guys. There are people that will also love to see this. There are people that want to learn this, so please kindly share, subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.